I'm gonna teach you guys how to spot 80% runners in the market before they happen. Do you think that sounds cool? I think it does. Let's jump into this video. All right, guys, check this out. In this video today, the market's going sideways, so I want to spend some time teaching you a small masterclass here of how to use our indicators. Reason why we're doing this, guys, we have a big sale going on. Yes, it does end Friday at 6 p.m., so make sure you guys get those indicators after watching this video. But let me show you guys how to use this. I have not actually shown this to too many of our members before, so I want to get you guys into the best setups. Everybody's looking for the jackpot scenario right now while crypto's low to get into the market low and ride this thing up. I will show you guys exactly what to look for, and it's going to be different than the last few videos we've done. So follow me here. Trend exhaustion, price for swell money flow, TC market reversals, and can't forget, guys, the top and bottom finder, definitely the number one flagship indicator that we have. Here's what you guys need to be watching for. We're gonna go from the bottom to the top. Once you put them on your chart, I highly recommend you guys just put them in this order. Makes it very simple. Okay, number one, when trend exhaustion is in the bottom red section here between these two lines, we have the top and the bottom here. This means the trend itself is overextended to the downside, all right? Next, we must have whales selling into the market, looking at the whale money flow moving down, meaning whales have bought and they're starting to sell their position. But once they sell their position, they will start buying again, so we can spy on the whales now, which is actually really cool. So trend exhaustion low, whale money flow low. Now, what is this thing up here? I haven't talked about this too much. This is what's called TC market reversals. It is an indicator that literally encompasses your RSI, stochastic, MACD, all of your retail trader indicators together, and it tells you guys if those indicators are oversold or overbought to the upside. Red meaning overbought, green meaning oversold. Now, it doesn't end there. What we did is we coded in a mathematical equation, and we use a mini-max algorithm to produce the buy signals, the strong buy signals, the sells, and the strong sells. So when you guys get a strong buy signal or a buy signal, you need to watch this because the accuracy of this is actually ridiculous. Next, I want you guys to observe this right here. This is what we call an actual liquidity pool. So a liquidity pool is where short traders are going to be entering into the market, and most likely when price hits down into these pools here, they're going to close their short trades, and basically this gives way to long trades because there isn't any more momentum pushing the market down. Long trades take over and the market starts to go back up. So you're looking at the liquidity pool, you're looking at a strong buy or buy signal, the retail trader indicators to be oversold to the downside. We have whale money flow low and trend exhaustion low. When you see this, this is literally, guys, it is the best scenario to get into the market if you see it on any of your time frames or any of your cryptos. Let me prove this to you again over here. This exact same scenario happened over here on Ethereum before. Look at this, trend exhaustion low, whale money flow is low, coming from whales buying, they come in and they start selling in the market. Then we have retail trader indicators over here oversold to the downside, and we get a strong buy signal in a green liquidity pool. This is not a lot to keep track of. You just want to look to make sure everything's low. Once that happens, guys, this went on a run for 33.36% and then actually went on a total run of 45.39% before the market moved back down. Guys, these areas in the market where we're sitting right now, where consolidation is happening, if we get any types of moves back down here, this setup will present itself again. And this is what we're really watching for, to literally be the biggest possible move back up in crypto that you guys will find. A lot of you guys are getting our new indicators. I'll give you guys a discount right now, but please replay this video and learn what I just taught you guys, because that setup right there is literally the jackpot of the jackpot of the jackpot setup you guys need to be watching for, and you can do this time and time again. Okay, come over here. Actually, no, before we even get into sales, check this out. We are using these indicators and we've done 440% more than the S&P 500, and we have a live scalping trade open right now. We've done 15.5% profit since August 27th. Okay, now that I've jacked you guys up, let's do some more even exciting news over here. Take a look at this. This guy used the top and bottom finder, as you can see right here, made $4,300 in a single week. This guy did 500, 5,200, 4,300 using leverage. What did he use? The top and bottom finder. Guys, people are using our stuff and they're really making some good money. $950 today from this trader. And then we got people down here doing $3,200 in 3 days, and he has the top and bottom finder You guys can see that right there. Here we go. Here's what you guys want to do. Come over to our website, scroll down on the indicator page. You will see the discount codes that are live right now. And I'm sorry guys, but these discount codes are going to be going away. We are removing them this Friday, so make sure you guys snag this. The top and bottom finder is great by itself, but pause that. Look at this first. The bundle pack is going to give you guys the price for swell money flow, the trend exhaustion, and 7 other indicators. Here's the best part about this. You're going to get the source codes, but you're also going to get a coupon code up here for 53% off the top and bottom finder once you purchase the bundle pack. Take that coupon code, guys. Click right here, open this up, come down, click I want this, and then enter the coupon code right over here. I already have the coupon code Save Me 250. So you guys can come in here, you can buy it by itself with the coupon code we have. Instead of $749, you're only gonna pay $499. But listen, this is $250 off. If you get the bundle pack first, you guys are literally getting $400 off instead of $250. That is the craziest deal we've got going on right now. So make sure you guys don't pass this up. Again, watch this video over again as I taught you guys how to spot these jackpot moves. I promise you all in this video here. I know these are the best indicators in the market because I come from actually coding indicators for TradingView.com users for a living for 2 years. I've even worked with the COO and CMO of TradingView.com. When I say this, these literally are the best indicators, and we're not just coming out here saying, oh, hey, they're the best. We're actually actively trading over here, and we are crushing. We're actually over 600% more than the S&P 500. So this is what you guys want to be doing. Snag the indicators in the description. Make sure you guys get these, and we'll give you guys access ASAP. Enjoy the profits, enjoy the savings you guys get, and let us know how you do so we can put you guys on the testimonials over here. God bless you guys. Have a good one, and everything you need is in the description. See you guys.